Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about Pluto. There's a sad story of Pluto. Several years ago, Pluto was a nice planet in the solar system, but the majority of scientists believe Pluto couldn't be a planet, especially International Astronomical Union. Most scientists believe if something can make a planet great, Pluto has 2 out of 3. Firstly, Pluto orbits a star, and Pluto's star is called the Sun. Secondly, round. Pluto has enough gravity to make itself round. But Pluto missing one. Did Pluto clear its surrounding neighbors? Pluto didn't clear its surrounding neighbors. So Pluto is not a planet anymore. The poor Pluto began to be a dwarf planet since 2006. In the true scale of our solar system, Pluto is way smaller than the Earth. One Pluto compared to the Earth, that is the same scale as a plum compared to a watermelon. Pluto is 6 times smaller than the Earth. Pluto is smaller than the smallest planet in the solar system, Mercury. All the top 7 largest natural satellites in the solar system. Pluto is smaller than the United States of America too. The diameter of Pluto is 2,376.6 kilometers. The gravity of Pluto is very weak. It is 0.62 meters per second square. That means if we come to Pluto, we are able to jump 7.6 meters high. When we see Pluto, Pluto has a love heart at the bottom right corner. The neighbor of Pluto's love heart is covered by red lands and red snow. It is called Tomba Regio. Pluto has atmosphere. We can see blue sky from Pluto, but the atmosphere of Pluto is very thin. It is only 4 kilometers thick. It is way thinner than the Earth's atmosphere, but the atmosphere on Pluto will quickly disappear in 2032. The temperature on Pluto is negative 226 to negative 240 degrees Celsius. Pluto got 5 natural satellites. Can you believe a very small dwarf planet has natural satellites, but our Earth just have 1 natural satellite? The largest natural satellite of Pluto is called Chiron. Chiron is 2 times smaller than Pluto, so Pluto and Chiron both orbit together. The distance between Pluto to the Sun is 39.5 astronomical units. It is almost 40 times faster than the distance between Sun to the Earth. It is also equals to 5.9 billion kilometers. Pluto has elliptical orbit. The distance between Pluto to the Sun in perihelion is 4.44 billion kilometers, and in aphelion is 7.38 billion kilometers. Pluto's orbit tilt an angle. There is 2 times Pluto is closer than Neptune to the Sun, and 2 times Pluto is further than Neptune to the Sun. But the orbital period of Pluto is 248 years. It is longer than Neptune. The rotational period of Pluto is 6.34 days. It is longer than any planets in the solar system, except planet Venus. The interior structure of Pluto is made by 70% of rock and 30% of water ice, Actually, Pluto is made by 3 layers, such as frozen nitrogen, water ice, and an extremely large core made by rock. Alright guys, that is the end of part 1. Next part, we'll talk about Kuiper Belt. The second part of this video is Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt is a circumstantial disk in the outer solar system, extending from the orbit of Neptune at 30 astronomical units to approximately 50 astronomical units from the Sun. It is similar to the asteroid belt, but it is far larger than 20 times as wide and 20 to 200 times as massive. Kuiper Belt is a donut of our solar system, also the icy ring of the Sun, because, for example, in more than 1 light years away to see the Sun, we are able to see the rings of our Sun. It is pretty similar to the planet Saturn, isn't it? Okay, Kuiper Belt is in the border of Neptune and Pluto. Kuiper Belt is made by several asteroids, dust, and ice. Neptune is a protector of Pluto, because if Neptune isn't in front of Pluto and Kuiper Belt, Pluto will get hit by a lot asteroid, and Pluto will not survive in solar system anymore. So Neptune can use its strong gravity to break off the asteroid from the Kuiper Belt and quickly become Neptune's ring. Alright guys, we have a quick quiz to do. The first question is, why Pluto isn't a planet? Tell me the 3 rules about why. Second question is, why did Pluto isn't a planet? Alright. Third question is Pluto have 5 natural satellites? Well, Pluto doesn't have any natural satellites. Another question is, what is the distance between Pluto to the Sun? And then, why Neptune is so useful for Pluto? And tell me the process about why. Alright guys, hope you understand what I mean. Enjoy my YouTube channel and have a nice day. Bye.